back body, go for the go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down, go down, go down, down, go down.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. It's your girl LaBelle, and for today's video, I guess you already know from the title below, we are gonna do some slick braids, necklace braids. Look at my client's hair. Her hair is so pretty. Her hair was very long, like at her back, but she got it cut because she had a lot of iron in her hair, so she had to cut it and grow it natural. And this how pretty her hair is. Look how short it was from the beginning, and now it's getting so long that I can put it into a ponytail. Look, my client have a lot of hair and she only brought 2 packs of braiding hair. I was like, girl, you have a lot of hair, how about you just bring 2 packs? But anyways, I have a braiding hair, so I'm going to give the back of the hair a black and then make the front with the color that she brought. This is a training style that I've been training on social media, so I guess this will be my first time doing this design, so I'm excited. I'm glad she just brought 2 packs, so at least I can do whatever I have. If I'm she like, okay girl, you only brought 2 packs, so I'm gonna go in because I don't have different color of hair and it is late, so I have privilege. But anyways, yeah, so she said she want her hair size not small and not medium, so I'm gonna give a size between medium and small. But for the size I want, like normally regular size, the nip would take 2 or 3. But since she wanted in between, so I'm gonna give the nip of the head 4 lines. Yes, so since I'm African and I have a lot of American clients, and whenever they comes in, they want to know more about African history, and as well as me, I want to know more about American things and other things. So sometimes we do lecture, we do talk to the hair is done, or sometimes I ask them a question: would you like to watch a movie with me? Have you watched African movies? Like, some clients have never watched African movies, so like, and some do but they don't have any interest in it, but I'm making them to have interest in it. So like, I asked this my client, this is my second time braiding her hair. The first time she got necklace braids, and this the second one. So the first time we talked, girl, I couldn't believe that we had a whole 5-hour conversation. So for today, we're gonna be watching our movies because like, we have nothing much to talk about. We already talked about everything, y'all. So I'm just gonna go into the hair and watching the movies. My eyes is not on the movies, y'all, because like my attention and my eyes need to be on the braids. So my ears is on the movies and while we talk back and forth. So like, yo, she into the movie so bad. She into this movie so bad, like no time. She don't want to miss any scene. She gave me close her eyes to miss any scene. Her eyes gonna be open till I'm done with this braids. So I'm done with the whole back. Like, I'm just going one section because I don't want to braid it a whole lot of black, so I'm just gonna braid this line and then be done with the black and come in with the cutter because I want the cutter to cover the back of the hair. So I'm just gonna go in and then come in with my cutter. So I'm done with the cutter black and I'm coming in with the it's a blonde, yeah, with the blonde cutter. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the finished look of this hair. Like, this cutter gonna be a bomb, y'all. It's gonna be a bomb. And one thing I want to talk about is that whenever you're braiding the hair, don't forget about your jam. Your jam helps you make the hair look so pretty and bring the hair together. Like, this necklace braids, it's not like the traditional or the regular single plots. This necklace braids it's all about the jam because the jams make it look so super and beautiful. Like you see, my client are talking, we're watching the movies at the same time talking. Girl, this movie is not for fun. Yeah, so Yeah, I'm just gonna braid it down and can't wait for the finished look. I'm so excited, and she is excited too. Yo, I'm just done with one line, and like the color is already blinking in. It's already blinking and making some nice highlights. So like, but I'm not looking for a highlight. I want it all covered with the number 27. This is not actually blonde, it's blonde 27. Yes, number 27. So yes, you will see me back when I'm done with the whole bag. So I'm done with the bag, and yeah, look at this color. I don't need to say it's pretty, right? You guys can help me say this is pretty. Like one of my clients told me like, LaBelle, you love to make yourself happy, you love to impress yourself with your work. I'm like, girl, yes, nobody gonna tell me that this is not right. And I believe that, like when I was little coming up, my auntie always used to tell me like, you always like to make yourself feel happy, you always like that. Why? Like, because I believe that if you don't make yourself happy, no one gonna make you happy. So whatever thing you do, whether if it is right or not, you always have to tell yourself that it is right. So like I'm not looking for someone's opinion to make me feel like it is better, but I always tell myself that it is better. Yeah, so when I was braiding, I left this out, so I'm not gonna cut it because it's so long to cut her hair. I'm just gonna tuck it in with the comb, and it's gonna get in. So I'm done. I'm just going in to cut my hair off, shave it very nice and beautiful, because like if you don't shave the hair, it looks old, it looks ugly. So I'm just going in to shave the hair and to make it look cute and beautiful. And I love to use this oil. This oil is everything. This olive oil is good because like the gems sometimes makes the hair color look a little white. So I just go in session by session and get the hair oily, because like the hair be dried off, but I like to put this oil on the hair to make it shine and to make it look so super good. And I'm done with it. Just going my olive oil spray and spray the scalp, spray the hair for more slicky and slicky look. And I'm going in right now to get her baby's hair with my edge control that I got off Amazon. Yes, I'm getting some cute baby's hair. This is so pretty, y'all. This is so pretty, y'all. Can't wait for the finished look. Can't wait for the final look.
Oh my gosh, I just love this. Look at this color. Oh, I love how you mixed it like this in the back. You can hardly see it, but then when I feel
Yes,
like
I
this,
can see it.
you see the mix? This is gorgeous.
It is.
Oh my gosh. Look at her parts. Isn't that so straight? Oh my
Everything
God,
is so
thank you,
perfect.
LaBelle. I love it.
You're welcome, sweetie, and thanks for coming. So guys, this brings me at the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below what you enjoyed and what was your favorite part. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time I upload a video you will be notified. And yeah guys, so I hope you enjoy this day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Back body, go body, go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down.